to start by pushing down on the tab to remove the wiring harness from the bulb. Next, you will twist the bulb counterclockwise and remove it from the headlight housing. Now, let's grab the new LED bulb. It is important to connect the bulb to the driver and secure the connection by twisting the lock. Next, you'll want to connect the bulb to the stock wiring harness. Once the wiring harness has been connected, you'll want to insert the bulb into the headlight housing and twist clockwise. As you can see, the bulb is installed. However, the beam pattern is incorrect. The beam is slanted, which means the LED chips are not directly left and right. You want to make sure that the LED chips are located left to right in order to achieve an accurate beam pattern and have the best light output from the LED bulb. So, let's go ahead and take the LED bulb out and adjust the beam. You will want to use the provided Allen wrench to make the adjustment. Once the screw has been loosened enough, you'll be able to change the position of the LED chips. Once in the desired position, tighten the screw and reinsert the LED bulb into the headlight housing. You'll want to double check that the LED chips are located left to right.